Hi girls, happy Friday. Today for our math lesson, we're on module 7, lesson 17. Our I can statement is I can use all four operations to solve problems involving perimeter and missing measurements. Okay, this is our I can statement for today. So we're solving problems, we're solving the perimeter, but we're also going to have some missing measurements. So we're going to really need to take time and look at the details and the information that we have to make sure we're successful in this lesson. So let's go ahead and get started. I have 4 examples on the board here for us to look at. I'm going to go ahead and do 8 for us on the board, so make sure you're following along. Okay, remember the perimeter, you need all of the side lengths. So if I start here, I know that that's 3 centimeters. 2 centimeters. I don't have a side length for here, so I need to calculate one. I don't have a side length here, so I need to get one for there also, but I do have 2 centimeters here, and I do have 4 centimeters here. Okay? What is really important when I am calculating and getting these side lengths is I look at our opposite lengths. So if I go from here to here with my pen, that is going from here to here. Okay, so that will give me this missing side length. From here to here is 2 centimeters. From here to here, I don't know, but across the whole way is 4 centimeters. So I need to do 2 add what? So I've got 2, add another 2 centimeters here. So now I have this side length will give me 4. So if I go from here to here, 2 add 2 is 4. That'll give me the 4 centimeters that I have here. So that is how I find that missing side length. From here to here is 3 centimeters. So that means from here to here is 3 centimeters also. Here to here is 2. So the missing part, if I go from here to here, which is also 2, the missing part here is 1. Okay, 2 add 1 centimeter is equal to 3. Okay, so the same thing. If I go from here to here, that's 3 centimeters. If I go from here to here, that's 3 centimeters. And I can go 2 centimeters and 1 centimeter to give me a total of 3 centimeters. So now I have this side length here. Now I have gone around the whole perimeter of my shape. Now it's time for me to calculate. So P for perimeter. I need to do 3, add 2, add 1, add 2, add 2, add 4. Okay, and we're just going to take our time and add them up. So 3 add 2 is 5, add 1 is 6, add 2 is 8, add another 2 is 10, add 4, which is 14. So the perimeter is 14 centimeters. Okay, what was really important in that is that we compare the equal side lengths. We need to find our opposite side lengths because those are the equal side lengths when we're looking at them. Okay, let's have a look at B over here. All right, so again, I want to go around my shape to make sure I get all side lengths. I have here, which is 2 feet, here, which is 5 feet. I don't have that, so I need to calculate that. But what I do know is that they're opposite, so I can instantly say that if this from here to here is 2 feet, then here to here is also 2 feet. So I can go ahead and put that right in there. Okay, oh, sorry. Now you can see it. Okay, so what I was doing was, now you can see, here to here is 2 feet, so from here to here has to be 2 feet also because it's equal in size. So now I have this shape over here, this side length over here. I have 2 feet over here. I don't have over there, but again, if from here to here is 1 foot, then from here to here is also 1 foot. So I can put 1 in there. Okay, now I have that side length. I don't have here and I have nothing that's opposite, so I'm unsure of that side length yet, but I do have from here to here, because that's 2 feet, and from here to here is 1 foot. Okay, so to get the side length in here, in the middle here, because that's the part I'm missing, I need to have a look from here to here. is 5 foot. Here to here, if I put my pen from here all the way across here, it's 5 foot. Now I know I can go 2 feet, 2 feet, add something, 2 feet, add this blank part, add another 2 feet, gives me 5 feet. Okay, let me go over that again. Here to here, opposites of the whole length is 5 feet. Okay, that's me equal to 5 feet. I don't know what this little part in the middle here is, but I know if I go from here to here, that's 2 feet. Okay, and I can stay in line, and I can go from here to here. I don't know what that is. That's my blank. And then do another 2 feet, and that is equal to the 5 feet. 2 add 2 is 4. 2 add 2 is 4, so this has to be 1. That means this length in here has to be 1 also, okay, because it's opposite the 5 feet, okay? 2 feet, add 2 feet is 4 feet, add another 1 gives me the equivalent of the 5 feet over there, okay? So let's add them all up for the perimeter. P equals 2, starting right here, 2, add 5, add 2, add 2, add 1, add 1, add 1, 1, add 1, add 1, add 2. Okay, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers to add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. Okay, now I have them all on there. 2 add 5, do that with me. 2 add 5, well, let's do 5 add 2, it's easier. 5, 6, 7, 7 add 2, 7, 8, 9. 9 add 2, 9, 10, 11, add 1, makes it 12. Add another one, makes it 13. Add another one, makes it 14. Add 2, 14, 15, 16. The perimeter of shape B is 16 feet. Okay, really careful that you're looking at the opposite sides because that opposite sides gives you the information you need to be successful to complete the side lengths. Okay, let's have a look here at C. I know this side length, 4 meters. Down here is 2. Down here is 2. Okay, I also like to go around when I know what the side length is, because then it makes it easier for me to see the side lines I'm missing, because some of them are tucked up in the middle of shapes and that sometimes makes it hard for me to see. Okay, so I also know this side length is 6 meters. I don't know this side length. I don't know this side length. I don't know this side length, but I know this side length here is 2 meters. Okay, let's get started. Our up here, our opposite side, if this is 2 meters, then this up here also is 2 meters. Okay? What can this side length here be? I know from here to here is 6 meters. Okay? Here to here is 6 meters. So if I'm going with my pen, this is 2, so I'm going up 2. Up another 2, that's me gone up 4. I need to go up how many to get a total of 6? Okay, 2 up 2, up another 2 is 4, and another 2 meters will give me 6 meters. So I have this side length and I have this side length. Okay, here to here is 6. Okay, same thing. Up 2 meters, up another 2, that's 4, and then up another 2 would make it 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and that gives me my total here. What is the side length across here? Again, if this is 4 meters, then this opposite side here must also be 4 meters. Okay? So let's add up our perimeter. Okay? Starting right here with the 6. 6, add 2, add 2, add 4, add 2, add 4, add 2, add 2. Okay? I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lengths on there. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to add up on here. Now, if you need to write them all separately, then you can go ahead and do so when you're doing it in your lesson. That's not a big problem, but we can do it if all together we can add them up just in one big long chain. So 6 add 2, 6, 7, 8. 8 add 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 add 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 add 2, 14, 15, 16. 16 add 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 add 2, 20, 21, 22. 22 add 2, 23, 24. Okay, 24 meters is the perimeter of this shape down there. Okay, last but not least, let's have a look at D. Okay, I have this side length. I have this side length. I don't have this one. I don't have this one. I have this is 2 yards. This is 2 yards, 4 yards, 2 yards. Don't have anything. And 7 yards. Okay. So again, if this whole bottom is 7 yards, that means from here to here is 7 yards. So if I go along, there's 2 yards. 2 yards, add, I'm not sure, I don't know what this bit is here, but I know this is 2, so add a blank, add 2, add another blank, another 2, which is 2, okay? Here to here, which is 2, add our blank, add another 2 gives me my total of 7. 2 add 2 is 4, add another 2 is 6, so that means our blank needs to be 1. Okay, I'm going to write it right over there. Okay? So, that's the blank in there. If I'm going up and down the way, I want to figure out what this length is in here. Okay? I know that from here, a blank, and here, a blank. I need to put in another number. Sorry, that's not going to add up. I'm going to put this. Oh, forgive me. I may put it in correctly. Opposites. 2 and 2 over here. This is 2 yards also. Okay, these are opposite numbers, so I can say that that's 2 yards in there. 2 and 2. Okay, the number in here. 2 add 4 is 6. So 2 up, add another 4 is 6. That means this side length has to be 6. I've got 2. Add a blank, which is a blank here. Add another 2, which is 4. Okay, I need a total of 6. So 2 add 2 add 2 would give me 6, which means this side length in here is 2. Okay, for a total of 6. Okay, let's add up our side lengths and get our perimeter. I'm going to start down here with the 7. 7, add 2, add 2, add 2, add 1, add 2, add 2, add 4, add 2, add 2. Okay, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's add them all up. 7 add 2, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Add 2, 9, 10, 11. Add another 2, 11. 7. Add 2 is 9. Add 2, 11. Add 2, 13. Add 1, 14. Add 2, 14, 15, 16. Add 2 is 17, 18. Add 4, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 if you add another 2 on there. Okay, so the total perimeter for this shape is 26 yards. Okay, so I know that is a complex lesson on there. It's really important that you look at your opposite shapes. You go with your pencil up and make sure that your side lengths match up and that they are equal as they go, okay? take your time on there when you're doing your adding, and make sure you go on to your Zern lessons for today. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend.